All right, in today's video, we are in Blanchard, Idaho. All right, this is the coolest feature in Blanchard, I think. Maybe if you're local, you'll disagree. I mean, it's kind of far out of the way. I wouldn't recommend a family live here necessarily, but it'd be a good community for retired folks to come up here and set down roots. It's somewhat remote, but you get that quiet, peaceful lifestyle that you might be looking for. I love doing videos like this because often my opinions of a place are changed, and today is no exception.